Hello students, welcome back to the science class. In our previous class, we had studied about the pollution, air pollution, its reason, effects on plants and animals, depletion of ozone layer, greenhouse gases, global warming, acid rain and so on. Now today, we are going to study about water pollution. We get water from well, river, stream, borewell. We need water for various purposes like drinking, bathing, washing, gardening, etc. You have been studied in your previous class about the percentage of the water on earth. Out of that, only 2% water is present in the form of fresh water and the remaining 98% is present in the form of salt water. Out of the total fresh water, 87% is present in the form of ice, 12% present in the form of groundwater, and only 1% is present in the form of rivers and lakes. Water get polluted due to different reasons like household waste, nuclear activities, agricultural practices, industrial waste, and so on. Human activities pollute water at every resource. We all know that water is a very important element for our life and hence it is known as molecule of life. Now we will see what is water pollution. Water is said to be polluted when it becomes unclean and poisonous due to mixing of natural or artificial unwanted material. When it becomes harmful to living organisms due to decreased oxygen content. In water, oxygen is present in dissolved form in certain amount. When this amount of oxygen is decreases in water, the living organisms present in that water body cannot survive and water get polluted. This amount of oxygen in water decreases due to different waste water mixing with water bodies. You also studied in previous classes about the waterborne diseases, epidemic diseases, etc. These are spread through the water. Freshwater or marine water pollution includes physical, chemical, and biological changes. There are three types of water pollutants. First is biological pollutant. In this, algae, bacteria, viruses, and parasites are included. Due to this, water does not remain potable. Various diseases are spread due to biological pollutant like typhoid, cholera, jaundice, etc. Next is inorganic pollutants. In this, suspended particles, precipitated of salts, traces of radioactive material, compounds of arsenic, cadmium, lead, mercury included. In organic pollutants, weedicides, insecticide, fertilizers which are mostly used in the agricultural field, sewage coming from the household activities, industrial effluents coming from the industries are included. Now, reasons of water pollution. First is natural reasons. There are two types of reasons, natural and man-made. In natural reasons, the pollution occurs due to natural activities, and in man-made reasons, pollution occurs due to various man-made activities. In natural reasons, first one is aquatic weeds. Aquatic weeds means the plants which grows on water bodies. For example, water hyacinth. Due to this, depletion in oxygen level is taking place and changes in natural qualities of water is also occur. Second is decomposing matter. In this, decomposing bodies of plant and animals pollute the water. Third is mud and sludge, river current and its diversion. Fourth is soil erosion. Many biotic and abiotic factors are added to water due to soil erosion. This is also occur due to the flood. Fifth is microbes like fungi and bacteria which grows on organic matter decaying in water and also grows on dead bodies and waste present in the water. Six is algae. Excessive algal growth pollutes the water. Seventh is nematodes. Soil nematodes flow in with rain water. So this is about the natural reasons. Now man-made reasons includes first domestic sewage. In this, domestic sewage from villages and cities is disposed of in river water. Second, industrial effluent, various pigments, bleaching chemicals, leather pieces, fibers, mercury, lead, etc. are released into water. Third is oil spillage. While transportation, cleaning of tankers, oil spills into water. This type of pollution occur mainly in the oceans and sea. Fourth is use of fertilizers and pesticides. NPK containing chemical fertilizers. Pesticides like endrine, chlorine, carbonate containing pesticides flow and mix with the water. Fifth is other reasons in this disposal of human waste, washing of clothes, decomposing hemp and flax in water, disposal of ashes, floral offerings, the nirmalya, water from the thermal power plant, etc. are included. Now, effects of water pollution. Effects on human being. Diseases like hepatitis, typhoid, diseases of skin and alimentary canal are occur due to the polluted water. Elements of liver, kidneys, brain, deformities in bones and hypertension can be seen because of air pollution. Effects on ecosystem. Retarded plant growth means the plant will not grow up to its original height. Loss of plant species. Some species may destroyed because of pollution. Increase in salt content of water. Water may get salty. Decreased dissolved oxygen level. As I explained already about this. Disturbance in aquatic ecosystems. Death of aquatic animals sometime may occur and adverse effects on sea and birds. Sometime you may have heard the news that a number of dolphins are killed or sharks are killed and the dead bodies came on the shore. So this may be due to the oil spillage in the sea or oceans. Other effects are changes in physical and chemical properties of water, changes in natural color and taste. Useful aquatic fauna is destroyed, soil fertility is affected, toxic material are added to the crops. So this is all about the water pollution. Now we will move towards the soil pollution. Soil forms just a thin covering over the surface of the land. Good soil leads to abundant animal and plant life. Soil is formed due to weathering of rocks, but due to some reason, this topsoil is washed away or blowing away. It is known as soil erosion. Fertile soil can also be declined due to following reasons. Loss of topsoil by erosion, nutrient mining, physical degradation of soil, decrease in organic matter content and soil bioactivity, loss of nutrients through various routes, soil acidification, salinization, and alkalinization, inefficient soil management, and soil pollution. These are the reasons which affect the soil fertility. You already studied in your previous class about the different landforms present on the earth. For example, desert, mountain, hills, plateau, valley, etc. Very less area of land is available for human use. Now, what is soil pollution? Soil is said to be polluted when there are changes in its physical, biological, and chemical properties, and its fertility decreases due to either natural or man-made reasons. Students, here you have to find out example of domestic waste, biological waste, and agricultural waste. Write in your own words about soil pollution and also about the dry waste, wet waste, and toilets in each home. This is task for you. I'm sure you can complete it. For your help, let me give some examples of domestic or household waste. These are plastic, paper, metal, e-waste, glass, and etc. While biological waste includes household waste, cattle manure, fly ash, fish or shrimp waste, etc. So like this you can find out remaining and complete it. Now we'll see the effects of soil pollution. Soil fertility decreases due to mixing of salty, acidic water from industry. Radioactive and other pollutants enter and pass through food chain like the soil, crop, water, and human body. You are already very well known about the food chain. Once the pollutant enter in the food chain, it go from producer to consumer and so on. Problem of water pollution increases due to soil pollution. Toxic substances leach into water. Similarly, diseases spread through the various pathogens. Here you can easily see the picture of healthy soil and polluted soil and find the difference. Next is relationship of soil pollution with air and water pollution. Pollutants discharged into the environment can accumulate in the air, water or soil. For example, if wet waste is dumped at wrong places instead of composting, pathogens grow upon it, which are then mixed with water, causing water pollution. Insecticides, chemical fertilizer, weedicides are used in agriculture, which causes soil pollution. Excessively sprayed insecticides and weedicides are mixed with air, causing air pollution. Similarly, excessive use of chemical fertilizers causes water pollution. Soil pollution occurs due to mixing of human waste, birds and animal waste. These releases various stinking gases causing air pollution. Same waste may cause water pollution if mixed with water. So here soil pollution can also lead to the water pollution and air pollution. Government of India has enacted some laws for control, regulations and prevention of pollution. These are Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1917 for water pollution, for air pollution, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, and Environment Protection Act 1986. Various laws and rules are in force in relation to biomedical waste, harmful effluents, solid waste, and sound pollution. Government statutory bodies like Maharashtra Pollution Control Board and Central Pollution Control Board supervise about whether the industrial areas, local governing bodies like municipalities, district councils, panchayat samiti, gram panchayat, etc. always follow law about pollution control. So students, in this lesson, we had studied about the pollutant, reasons, effects, and preventive measures of air, water, and soil pollution. So, you have to read the lesson thoroughly, find out the hard words, mark the important points. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.